Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thanks for coming by. We have a crazy video today for you guys about a Uber passenger who was charged $39,000 for his ride. And did the driver end up getting all of that money? I mean, that's almost a year's Uber driver salary right there. So we're gonna get into this story. Please thumbs up the video. Before we get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an incredible business app for gig workers, and essentially what they do is they optimize your income, help you track your expenses for taxes, and they even guarantee your pay. Now, when you sign up right now, you can get $10 for signing up anywhere in the nation for free. And again, you can opt into these little guaranteed shifts here, 37 bucks in that hour, 38, 37, 23, and start earning some real income. So Solo down below, you can check it out. Let's get started. An Uber passenger was charged almost $39,000 for a 15-minute journey after the destination was incorrectly set to Australia. So did he accidentally set the location to Australia? I mean, was it his fault? Uber passenger was charged almost 39 grand for a 15-minute ride, according to reports. God, would I love to be the driver on that ride where you get paid 39, I mean, Uber takes what, 50%? So 20,000 still not bad for 19,500 if it was 50%. Oliver Kaplan, 22, ordered an Uber after finishing work to meet some friends about 4 miles away. Yeah, I'm sure he won't be ordering any Ubers anymore. The next day, he discovered the destination had been incorrectly set to Australia. Australia, mate, where the bloody kangaroos are hopping around. An Uber passenger was charged more than $35,000 or 39 grand for a 15-minute journey after his destination was set to Australia. He was from England. Uber quoted the journey between $10 and $11. However, the next morning he woke up to an email. Oh, so it wasn't even him who did it. It was Uber who did that. Man, if he got any overdraft fees from that, my golly, he said. Could you imagine waking up and you're negative $38,000 in debt over a dang Uber? So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there, my friends, but let me know your thoughts on this one. And I just thought it was a pretty funny story. Thought I wanted to share it with you all. Nice laugh, a little goof gaff, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Check out Solo with our link below. Again, you can sign up for these really awesome guaranteed shifts and you're in a qualifying area. If you're not, you can get $10 for signing up for free anywhere in the country, my friends. Check out Solo, link below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.